Sup, fellas? This video today, first off, forgive the mess, but we are focusing today on the Vanderhall Edison2. Maybe the one is affected by the same situation. And for the very few people who own it, we have an issue here with the shifter not working properly. So what happens, either it gets super stiff or it starts to get loose because there's something as if it's gone completely, and then you cannot switch gears whatsoever at all. The real source behind it is, number one, if it's really, really stiff and it doesn't move, it's because of that. All right, let's go here. These clowns, and yes, clowns, seriously, they over-engineered the shifting mechanism. So this goes down, I don't have a light here, but right there in this location here. And this goes, the problem is that there's a lot of pressure applied on the disc, and eventually this gets completely stiffed, and then you start pulling on the lever a lot stronger, and either this breaks, or on the inside, much further deep inside here, or it gets completely stiff. And what happens is, let me just disconnect that completely. There we go. So this plate is what's responsible for the shifting. And as you can see, there's a cable going on over here, and it makes the system aware to go for park, rear, drive, and neutral. But if you pay attention by looking right in between, see the red piece over here? There's another one over there. You look at the bottom here, total, there's 6 switches. And you can tell because they're screwed all here. There's 3 over here, you have 3 over there. And every time you switch the position, for example, let me just move this. This is park. This is rear or neutral. Do it again. That's gonna be neutral or rear, one or the other, and this is gonna be drive. There we go. And when you change that position, this is what lets the system know which position you are when it comes to driving. And this gets ridiculously stiff because in here, I just added some oil here, right? So some resistant oil. But you have 2 balls, 2 balls, pressing against the disc over here. And at the bottom, you can't really tell, but underneath you have several holes where the balls get actually locked in, pressed in. So it gives that impression of shifting an old school vehicle. But this is horribly engineered, and you will end up with that. So make sure if you have this device, this version, pop it open, look on the side over here, unscrew the lever that goes here. This is supposed to be going at the bottom in here. And make sure you pop it in and just add some grease at the very least. And you can spin these to loosen a little bit of the pressure, and that will make it function a lot longer. What I'm gonna do in this particular case, in our case, yeah, the cable on the inside popped because there was so much friction going on. It gave up, now it's broken on the inside, and we cannot find the part to replace it. So I'm gonna just place this in here, add a motor here that will have a pre-programmed positioning system, and I'm gonna put some buttons. So we go from old school to new school-ish. All right, that's all I have to say for this. Good luck. If anybody has any questions or concerns, let your boy know. Peace.